Hey Arnab, this is Nick Weber from CI Technologies with a video on our next project for you. This is Chester, New Hampshire. We are asking you to take the AutoCAD data and PDFs and combine the two and put them into the CAI data model. I'd like to stress here that if there are any discrepancies between the two data sources, please use the PDFs to answer any questions. If you take a look here at the PDFs, you'll find that a lot of the information from the PDFs should be in the CAD composite that I'm giving you. So hopefully you won't have to digitize a lot of this. You should be able to pull a lot of it across. But again, I'd like to stress, if it's on the PDF, please add it in. And if it's not on the PDF, if you could go ahead and remove it. One oddity here is this sheet 20. There are 3 insets on this map. We would like to make 3 separate maps. We'd like to call this 5A, this would be 5B, and then this one would be 7A. This would just better fit our data model and what we're trying to accomplish, and going forward will make maintenance simpler. If you have any questions on that, definitely don't hesitate to contact me. I will require creating these 3 new index polys to accomplish that. In addition to the tax maps, there are planning maps. These maps were made directly from the CAD file I'm giving you, so you should see that they match up really well. Again, if not, please use the PDF to capture any more information that's needed. 2 maps here, road index and soils map, have lists included with them. Instead of having you capture these as part of the feature class into the geodatabase, we'd like you to add this as layout text in the map. So when I give you back the MXDs for these, if you could please capture these lists as part of the map and not as part of any feature classes. To try and help you out a little bit with the CAD data, I've made a spreadsheet here called matrix.xlsx. I've included the list of all the layers in the CAD file, where I think they should go in the CAI data model, and then any other notes about them. Hopefully this will help you out. If you have any questions, like usual, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.